Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to discuss how to create a C++ application in Mac OS and it's using Xcode 15.4. So here you can see we have opened the Xcode. So first step you have to click on create a new project, and here you see multiple options for that. So for that you have to choose Mac OS from the menu, from the top menu, and the next step you have to choose a command line too. Okay, you can click next. So here you see we have different options for that. So first thing is you have to choose a name for that. So I am just doing C++ tutorial, and you have to choose any team which you have. It's your Apple account which you have to choose for that. I'm just using my Apple developer account. And the next step you have to choose organization identifier, so you can write anything in that. So in the language section you have to choose C++. Click next. So you have to choose the location where you need to uh, save your project. I'm using desktop. So when we click on create, it takes some seconds to create the project, and here you see we have a C++ applications. Let's see. If you want to run the application, you have to click on run button. It takes some seconds. Just And after that you can see build is succeeded, and you can see the output hello world here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest videos about C++ and also iOS development. Happy coding.